It is Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a little bit of a review for you. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I review for the Born Pretty store. So I did not purchase these products myself, but I will always give you an honest opinion if I like them or not. So they were sent to me for free, but I'm not making any money on these or anything like that. I just sent them to review. So I have 4 different items here. This is kind of like a stamping video because they're all stamping products. So before I get started, if you want to save a little bit of money, you can use my 10% off code, which is ALLEX31 on boardprettystore.com. So you just enter that at the checkout and you can get 10%. So I'm going to share with you all the different stamping products and kind of give you a little bit of a demo of each of the products. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first product I have here is the limited edition Christmas clear snowflake stamper. Sorry, I kind of got this like not that long ago. I ordered these back in November, something like that. Yeah, I think it was near Black Friday. So I ordered these back then, so it would have been here for Christmas, and I'm hoping that this is still available, but I'm gonna review it anyways. So here's what the stamper looks like. So get the little card, which I'm probably gonna not end up using, but it looks really cute. And then this is what the stamper looks like. So it is a dual head one. Oops, that's what happens when it's been in the box for like 4 months. Anyway, so you have your one head here, and then you turn it over and it's got a smaller head on the other side. And then it has 2 of the caps, which I always like that it has a cap so it keeps your stamper protected. So it looks really cute on the outside. I like the packaging and everything, and that is everything that's included in the box. But yeah, and the next product I have is this nail polish. So this is the Born Pretty Store thermal stamping polish. I'm just gonna pull it out of the bag. And I have number 9, so it looks purple right now and it will change to a different color after. So I'm excited. I've never tried a thermal stamping polish before, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, next I have a stamping plate, of course. So this is a larger rectangular one. And this is the BPL100, so it's like a dream catcher stamping plate. It looks really cute. And then I have a small square one as well, and this is kind of like different butterflies. So this is the BPX52. So I'm going to try both of these out today, and I'm going to kind of do a bit of a different, I'm going to use my stamping mat that I have right here, and then I'm going to use some swatch sticks as well. I didn't put anything on my nails, so I don't really want to do a design because I didn't really want to wait for the polish to dry. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I peeled off the blue film, and we're going to go ahead and just stamp using the stamper on my stamping mat, and we're going to go ahead and use this. Nothing to the stamper because I want to see if it works right out of the box, because I don't want to try and see if it works, but I'm going to use my lint roller just to make sure there's no dust or anything like I always do, and we're going to use both sides, and yeah, we're going to see how it goes. I'm excited. The image on the smaller side. I don't know if it's the polish or it's the actual image. I'm gonna try, or the stamper actually. I'm gonna try it with different polish that I know that stamps. So I'm gonna try it with this Born Pretty Store stamping polish that I've used many times. Let's see, because I'm using all new things here today, so I don't actually know if it's the polish or if it's the stamper or if it's the stamping plate or if it's the scraper. Who knows? I'm guessing it's probably the polish because that worked perfect. Yeah, it's definitely the polish for that one, but that looks really nice. So I'm going to do the rest of them with that polish, and we're going to see. so we're gonna go on to the other stamping plate, and I'm gonna kind of speed through this a little bit just because this video is gonna get super long otherwise. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't know if you can kind of see, but it's actually changing colors. I think when my nails are cold or my hands are cold, it's like a dark purple, but when they're warm, it's like a pink. But I'm actually going to go and get some hot water to show you the really full effect. Alright, so I got my hot water here, and I'm going to show you what it's like when my nails are warm. So they're like that pink, so pretty nice. So that is when your hands are hot. And now I'm gonna, well, you can actually kind of see that it is changing to the dark purple, but I'm just gonna use my drying spray to show you them cold. So that is what your nails look like when they are cold. So I actually really like this. I think it's cool, and I think the color difference between them looks really neat. So overall, I like all of the products actually. I think they're all really good. I enjoyed the stamping plates. I had a little bit of somewhat of an issue with the butterfly one, but I think that was just with the thermal polish because it's kind of a different polish, but I did like it. I think it's a cute plate. I really like the Dreamcatcher one, really nice. Stamping polish is cool. I really like this one as well. Definitely recommend it. Stamper is pretty good too. The only thing about it is if you actually want to use it as a clear stamper, you can't have both heads on it, obviously, because you can't see anything through there if you have both on them. So you have to remove them, obviously, if you want to use the different sides. But I guess it is pretty clear, but yeah, you can see it when you're doing it with this side, because this side has a plastic side, and then that's just open on this side. So, but overall, I am enjoying all of these products. I would definitely recommend them. I think they're fun stamping polish stuff, whatever, stamping items. Anyways, that is all for today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. So totally forgot to show you an actual update of what it's stamped like. So those are all the stamps there from the Dreamcatcher one. And then we've got these on the swatch stick. So it does actually stamp pretty decently on the black, if it'll focus. But yeah, not bad. And then this is the other ones from here. So they all stamped really well. So I'm definitely impressed with these. Sorry about the mess, but it was definitely stamping. So yeah, so now I've done the video, now that I totally forgot to update you on that. But you did kind of watch when you're watching the video if you saw that they stamped well or not. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see you next time. Bye.